I start off by opening the compartment drawer. As you can see, I just press this inside and remove the compartment drawer. Now if I look inside here, you can see there's a lot of soap scum. A lot of dirt. So now I need to clean inside here using a brush. With just my brush, I scrub, make sure I'm removing even on top here, because sometimes you find that it's clogged in the top there. So I just need to use my brush, and water, scrub inside here like this, make it super clean. After I've done this, after scrubbing nicely with water, I come up with my towel and wipe it clean, make it super clean. As you can see now, it's so clean. Even on top here, I just wipe it to make it super clean. So this is normally how I normally clean the compartment drawer after I remove the dispenser. Okay, so if you do like this, the drawer will be very clean, super clean, as you can see. Now I have also to clean the dispenser, using the brush with running water. Just make sure that I scrub all around like this, make sure it's super clean. I even removed this one here. You see that was beneath. I use the toothbrush to clean here, scrub, make it super clean. Just with running water like this, I make sure to scrub and wipe, make it clean. Then I just now have to return inside, return it back like this. And so guys, we are through with the compartment drawer. We've returned the dispenser and everything is okay. Now the next thing is to open the drum. See, when you look inside here, as you can see, okay, mine is not that dirty, but one thing you need to know is that when you're washing your clothes, anything you forget in your clothing will normally get deposited down here. You see, this is the very sensitive area, so you just need to open inside here like this. You'll find lots of things, from sticks, from coins, buttons, and anything you forgot literally in your clothing will be deposited, because this is the lower part. Even sticks, you just find stones and everything, all the dirt simply is deposited here. And sometimes you find this place could be even smelly. If you don't clean here regularly, you can find mold here, lots of dirt, because there are lots of deposit, So it's important to clean this place. It's very important, because you see, like if you open here, you can see all this is dirt. That which this place could easily attract mold. So you make sure to lift here, inside here, using again water and a piece of cloth. You just have to remove all this dirt, because just imagine, I clean mine regularly, but you can still see the kind of dirt you're seeing here. So now using a piece of cloth like this, with water, you just now clean inside here, and you clean gently so that you don't even ruin or damage the gasket. So you just clean inside here like this, slowly, like this, just using the rag or any cloth. You clean like this. You just have to lift and clean, but gently, just gently, removing all the dirt. Then again, you lift like this, you clean, lift here, you clean. You just go on, make sure to go all round and remove all the dirt that is deposited inside there. Now that way you will be making your machine to be clean. And remember, sometimes if you don't clean these places, when you wash your clothes, you find they're smelly. Because a smelly washing machine will always result in smelly clothing. So it's important to make sure that all the time you clean this area. So now, as you can see, I believe this area is clean. So when it comes to the drum, I normally use a toothbrush with water. Make sure that I brush here, scrub inside here, But you see, mine is not that dirty because I regularly clean this place. Yeah. Now, sometimes you find that it may be clogged, so you can use something, just to remove the cloggedness, those holes there. But for mine, as you can see, I just use a brush, and now I use again this cloth. And while I'm using it, I just rotate the drum so that I'm able to clean all around, make it super clean. Yeah. So as you can see, my drum is clean. It's even shining. I hope you're seeing this. So, but I make sure to clean this, because remember, here's where you clean your clothes. The drum has to be clean so that the results, when you clean your clothes, you end up with very, very clean clothes that are not smelling. Yeah. So this is how I normally clean the drum. Try to make it super clean, make it sparkling clean, as you can see. Yeah. And I just use water. But if it's smelly, sometimes if you want it, you can use baking soda. Baking soda is also good, So you can use baking soda. If you're gonna use baking soda, you just have to pour like this. Just pour inside here like this. Then after you've poured like this, you just close the drum. After closing the drum, you just run a hot cycle, like cotton cycle. Yeah, just run a hot cycle. When you run a hot cycle, it just cleans the drum, and the drum becomes super clean. No smells, just a nice clean drum. Your clothes are clean. As you can see, the way it's cleaning. This is hot water, and now the baking soda solution, is just cleaning. Now the next part I go is down here. You see, here it's also very important, because here is where you have the filter. Now this filter compartment is very important, because if the filter is clogged, you start getting a lot of issues like the SUD error. Yeah, you also get the 5C error. These error codes, I've done videos on all these error codes. Just go back to my videos. You'll find very helpful videos. Now this cap is important. You need to pull it out. It's very important, because you have, first of all, to drain water from the drum before you open the filter. If you open the pump filter without draining this, a lot of water might clog your house. A lot of water might overflow into your house. So it's also important, before you open the filter, to at least drain and make sure that there's no water in the filter or the drum. Yeah. So after I've drained like this, I just close the cap and return the same inside back to its place like that. Now I'm ready to open the filter. So opening the filter is quite easy. Just rotate it anti-clockwise like this. Let's use some force, not a lot of force. Then you open anti-clockwise, you remove. Yeah. So when you remove your filter, if it's clogged, you remove the cloggedness. Yeah. Mine is not that dirty. But you can see sometimes, like in my previous video, this is what I got the first time I opened my filter. It was clogged with a lot of debris. Wow, you can see how it was. It was so dirty, and it was clogged. In fact, my machine had given me the SUD error. After I removed all that dirt, the machine became clean. You see, you can use even a finger to make sure that the holes here are open, to make sure that there's no debris remaining inside here. Yeah, just like this, you remove everything. Then you can wipe also inside there, After you removed like everything, you can just again use a clean rag with water to wipe this. Even inside here, you wipe to make it super clean. Yeah, just like this. You wipe and make it super clean. just like this. See, now it's time to return. It's also just straightforward like this, then clockwise, and bang, you're done. So now the filter is clean. So we've come to the end of today's video. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. Also, smash that like button and share this video with friends. I truly appreciate. See you in the next one. Bye bye.